How to create and approve your Maxbounty account. I have already approved my Maxbounty account, so this video will be really helpful for those people who have just started to step in the CPA marketing. Everyone know that Maxbounty is one of the world's top affiliate network out there, and in order to start your journey with the CPA marketing, then Maxbounty is the main or the central affiliate network for CPA marketing. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concept, and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9-to-5 job. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. For earning a full-time income from home using my most recommended system, I have placed a link in the description box. You can start your journey from today. So let's move to our Maxbounty website. We will register here as an affiliate, so click on affiliates, just move downward and click on register now. Here you need to complete all the steps: basic info, security, contact, address, experience and terms. So I just show you how you can do this. Write your name, your company name. If you already have a company, you can write your company name. If you do not have a company name, then you can write nil. Or if you have a website, then you can write your website name. Write it your password. Click on next. Security, write your security question here. Click on next. Enter your email address. Now provide your address detail. This is your main task. Write about your experience. So if you select about I am a complete beginner, then there is a 90% chance that your account wouldn't be approved. So I recommend you to start with I have a little bit of experience, but I have never received a payment from a network. This is also a risky one. So I recommend you to at least choose I have some experience and have received at least one payment from a network, or this one. Or if you have an experienced guy, then you can select this. So keep in mind that if you select this one or this one, then definitely there's a 90% chance that you wouldn't get approved. So if you do not already have an experience, then I recommend you to start your journey with different affiliate marketing. You can start your journey with ClickBank, or there are other networks out there. Create your website or start your at least receive one payment from ClickBank or other affiliate network. If you have received your payment from those networks, then definitely you can select this one or this one. So if you just select this one, there's a high chance of getting approval from Maxbounty. So if I select this, describe your past experience in affiliate marketing, write your journey with the affiliate marketing. Let's suppose you have worked with the ClickBank, so write about how you have worked with the ClickBank, how's your experience and how much payment you have received. So once you write your experience in detail, there is a great chance for you to getting approved from Maxbounty. Next question is, how do you intend to promote offers? This is really important. There are different ways you can promote Maxbounty offers. Like you can use free traffic method, you can use paid traffic methods. I recommend you to write about paid traffic methods like Google ads, Bing ads, Facebook ads and other free social media channels. And you can write about creating a landing page, directing traffic on that landing page from Google ads, Bing ads and Facebook ads, and then promote those Maxbounty offers and earn money. What offers are you looking for? I recommend you to write about service offers, health and fitness offers, download offers. So just 3 to 4 things for the starters. If you write about these offers, it would be good for you. Your website URL, if you already have a website, then write about your website. If you have not created your website, I recommend you to create a simple landing page. If you just go through my different videos how you can create your landing page, then just paste your landing page here and it would be okay for you. Is this account for incentive traffic? I recommend you to write it no. If yes, describe the incentive, so write about not applicable. Once you completed your step, then move to step 6, terms and condition. Click on next. So this is the terms and conditions. You need to agree with these terms and conditions. Just check it these one by one and click on finish. So once you finish, your all affiliates sign up with the Maxbounty. They will call you within 24 hours or 48 hours. So what they're gonna ask you in that interview, these questionnaires are generally revolve around the same questions that you have just filled out in your experience section. I have already written some of the questionnaires, like introduction. They will ask you about your introduction in the affiliate marketing, any prior experience with CPM marketing, which traffic source you will use, what type of offers do you promote, how do you promote these offers, direct linking or why we are creating a landing page, and payment proof screenshots. It is not necessary that they will ask you all the questionnaires. They may ask you some other question as well, but these are the most common questionnaires they have asked me and they have asked from other people whom I knew. So you should ready for these questionnaires and be prepared for these questionnaires. If you have already worked on CPM marketing or affiliate marketing, then you can answer these questions really easily. However, if you have not worked in a CPM marketing or affiliate marketing, it would be difficult for you to answer these questionnaires. So I recommend you to at least start your journey with affiliate marketing and at least receive one payment from ClickBank or other affiliate network, because it would be easy for you to explain your past experience with CPM marketing or affiliate marketing. You can any prior experience with CPM marketing, you can talk about ClickBank, you can talk about other CPM networks, which traffic source you will use, you can talk about Google ads, Facebook ads, Bing ads, or free traffic methods like using social media, Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, and other lot of traffic methods out there. What type of offers do you promote? You generally talk about your interest in offers, about surveys, health and fitness, and there are tons of other verticals out there in those affiliate networks. So you can tell about anything in your interest. How do you promote these offers? They will ask you. You can talk about we are creating a landing pages. So I do not recommend you to tell about direct linking. So just talk about creating your website or creating a landing page for those offers and then direct that traffic in those landing pages. This is really important. Payment proof screenshots. If you already have received your payment from ClickBank or any other affiliate network, it would be easy for you to share your screenshot with the management of the Maxbounty. So they it is not compulsory that they will require your screenshot, but they can ask you for your screenshot. It all depends upon your communication with the Maxbounty team. If they feel confidence on you, they think that you can bring in more leads for their advertisers, definitely they can enroll you as an affiliate and they will allow you to start promoting their offers to different people. They may ask you why they approve you. So you can talk about how valuable are you for their network. You can talk about you can tell about if you're gonna approve me, it will be a win-win situation for you, because I will bring in leads for your advertisers, and at the same time I will earn affiliate commission from your network. So it will be win-win situation for both of us. Definitely, if you talk about in confidence, and if you talk about the positive about the Maxbounty and other networks, then they will approve your Maxbounty account. And once you have approved your Maxbounty account, you could access to tons of affiliate offers, and it is one of the trusted network out there in the world today. I hope you like this video. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.